Welcome to One Question at a Time, the TSI series. Question number 1. If 3t minus 7 equal 5t, then 6t equal. So we noted that the letter t stands for a variable. Usually we use x. So to make it familiar look, we can write 3x minus 7 equal 5x. Then what is 6x equal to? So we can use any letter. The problem still the same. Now I will use the letter T. So we have 3t minus 7 equal 5t. First step, I want to know what is t equal to. Then I just multiply by 6 and then got the answer. So from the given, we have 3t minus 7 equal 5t. Now I will subtract both sides by 3t. Okay, so on the left hand side, we have 3t minus 3t. That will be equal 0. And we left with minus 7 equal. On the right hand side, we have 5t minus 3t is equal to 2t. Now to isolate t, we divide both sides by 2. On the right hand side, we have 2t. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. So 1 times t is t. On the left hand side, we have minus 7 over 2. So the first step to solve for t, we have done. So this one will be equal t equal to minus 7 over 2. So now we go to step 2. 1t is minus 7 over 2. Now 6 times t is 6 multiplied by minus 7 over 2. That's our t. Now some of y'all will think about take 6 multiplied by negative 7 and then divide by 2. But we noted that 6 is 2 times 3. We break that into 2 times 3 and then divide by 2. Now we can cancel the 2. We left with the bottom 1. So 3 times negative 7 is negative 21 over 1 is negative 21. So the right answer is C. Thank you for participating in this series. See you next time.